Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening DevTools with Ctrl plus Shift plus I or F12 and immediately pick the element you want to change. Use the element picker so you don't guess which node you are editing. This ensures you modify the right rule. Once selected, glance at the styles and computed panes to see active declarations and the box model. Make sure to note inherited rules versus overridden ones so your edits apply where you expect them to. Now edit rules directly in the Styles pane to test live changes. Typing updates the page instantly so you can iterate fast. If an existing rule is overridden, add a new rule with the plus button or create a more specific selector or class to override it. Use the hover, active, and device toolbar toggles to simulate states and screen sizes so you catch layout issues. Once done, copy the final rules into your source file to persist changes. To finalize, copy your tested declarations back into your project files and save. DevTools edits are temporary unless exported. If something still looks wrong, disable individual properties to find conflicts and make sure specificity isn't causing unexpected behavior. When changes don't appear live, perform a hard reload or clear cache and check for stylesheet ordering or server-side build steps that may overwrite your file. If all else fails, inspect network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.